Hello there, and in this video, we are going to check how the WhatsApp sequences work by adding a tag. So we have already done a test on your account, and as you can see, there is already a messages that is in queue, and there is already a message that was sent to the subscriber. Okay, so in your flow, we also check your flow here. And if we check the flow that you created, you have a series of messages in WhatsApp, but it is not using a template. So the messages that is not using an approved template can be received by the user or your contact as long as that contact have messaged your WhatsApp account within the 24-hour window. But if that contact did not interact with your profile or with your business WhatsApp profile within the 24-hour window, then this type of messages will not be received by them. It will throw an error. So it's really advisable that you use the template element here. So go to template and you can create an approved WhatsApp template and use the template when you want to send out messages after the 24-hour window. So the way you structured your flow is okay, but it's best if you use WhatsApp template instead of sending these messages because these messages will not be received by your contact after the 24-hour window if they did not interact with your business profile. So let me check once again. So we have two contacts here that is for testing, and we have a tag, the freemium tag. So your sequence, the way it was created is if we go to the next step here, we can see that on the advanced settings, you have configured that once the freemium tag has been added to the subscriber or to the contact, then that contact will be added or will be opted into the WhatsApp sequence. So that is good. We are going to test that out. But before that, I have noticed here that you are sending the message after 2 days. So this message will not be sent to your subscriber because you are using a normal message. You are not using a template, an approved WhatsApp template. So, well, it can be received if your subscriber interacted or sent a message to your WhatsApp, but it is not an assurance, or we are not sure if they would interact with your business profile or not. So when sending sequence of messages, especially sending messages after 24 hours, always use an approved WhatsApp template as opposed to what you did here, which is you are just using a normal message, which will not be received by the subscriber. Yeah. So create an approved WhatsApp template. After that, use that WhatsApp template to send WhatsApp sequences. So other than that, your flow in your sequence is good. So let's go to the sequences and we are going to test again. So to test, we are going to, since all of this is under queue, what we're going to do is we are going to delete all of the messages here or the messages in the sequence queue. So we are going to delete all of them. After deleting, we are going to test once again the tag. Okay, so currently there is no more messages under your WhatsApp sequence. There's no more queued messages. And on your WhatsApp contacts, what we're going to do is we are going to remove the freemium tag. So I'm going to select all of them. Let's remove the freemium tag here. Okay, the freemium tag has been removed. And we are going to test once again if they will be subscribed to the sequence by adding a tag. So let's review. There's no more tag here. And if you go to the chat sequences, there is no more messages in queue. So try to go to contacts once again, contact list, select all of them, and we are going to add a tag which is the freemium tag. So apply. After applying, we now have a freemium tag to, which is applied, which is added to the contact. Now, what we're going to do next is we are going to wait for the sequence to opt in your subscriber here on the queued messages. So let me just refresh this once again until the message is, until the subscriber is queued for sending here on the WhatsApp sequence. Okay, so let's refresh, go back again to WhatsApp and then sequences. Okay, so as you can see here, we now have messages in queue. And if we check it, it's all in here. It's already populated. And it means that these messages will be sent to the subscriber according to the schedule. Okay, so most messages here are scheduled way beyond the 24-hour window. And since you are using a normal flow message, you are not using an approved WhatsApp template, most of the messages here will not be received by your subscriber because it would violate the WhatsApp 24-hour policy. Okay? So, yeah, create an approved WhatsApp template and then use the template on your flow. Just build a template here and use any of the template or any of the template that is approved, and then use that instead of the normal message. So that's it in this video. I hope you learned a lot, and see you in the next.